Lehman Brothers announced a profit for the quarter, but profits are not always what you think they are. What most people are not aware of, and especially in a brokerage firm, an investment banking firm, is you have the ability to move certain numbers around to increase reserves, decrease cushions, increase cushions, and as a result of that, for a short period of time, you can basically make your P&L statement look whatever you want it to look like. And therefore, we're not too sure that the profits that have been announced by Lehman Brothers are actually the profits that they made. What I'd really like to see is I'd like to have access to their quarterly tax returns that they put together internally. You'd be surprised how many companies, and I remember a major bank about 7-8 years ago announcing $3 billion in profits for the year, but yet paid no taxes. How do you have $3 billion in profits and pay no taxes? Well, I realize book income is different from taxable income, but yet you would think that if you had $3 billion in profits, you'd pay something in taxes. So there's a lot of games that are played by different corporations that are completely legal games where they can move their numbers up and down, higher and lower on profitability, and certainly they can pull it off for a quarter or 2 quarters, and sometimes even for a year or year to year for a while. You can't do it forever. Enron proved that you can't play games with your numbers forever, but you certainly can do it from quarter to quarter. And certain hedge funds have asked certain questions about Lehman Brothers, and they got some answers from them. And then when they came up with additional questions, Lehman Brothers changed their answers and said, no, what we really said wasn't quite accurate. But so these are the real answers. And those answers are just not being bought by a certain number of investors on Wall Street. So if you're an investor in Lehman Brothers, I'd be fairly careful and take another look at your numbers to see if you really understand what's going on. And hopefully this has been helpful to you.